The Health of Mother Care Foundation has organized a training session with Indigenes of Nkan in Ikono local government area of Akwa Ibom state, focusing on the benefits of organic farming over the use of chemical pesticides. The event aimed at educating farmers on the harmful effects of chemical pesticides on the environment and human health, and to promote sustainable farming practices. Participants were taught the advantages of organic farming, including higher nutrient content in crops, reduced environmental pollution, and improved soil health. The member of the Peace Point Foundation, Comrade Ibom, and the director of the programs, Joyce, stressed that the HOMEF is committed to promoting sustainable and environmentally friendly farming practices, and training is just one of the many initiatives of the organization, which it is spearheading to support a healthier and more resilient agricultural sector.
Training is organized first to equip our farmers with the knowledge that they need, practical knowledge, to practice agroecology, to produce food not just in adequate quantities but in quality enough to nourish consumers when we consume the food. So we recognize the challenges with increasing population, pest and disease invasions, droughts in some areas, and so and also we see how farmers are now very dependent on inorganic pesticides, which is compounding the problems because we are degrading our soils in the process. That is why we have come to train the farmers to be able to practice agriculture in a way that will nourish the ecosystems and revive our soils that have been degraded, and help our farmers produce food. Food, not just food, but food that is safe, healthy for our people.
We are going to solve the food and the climate crisis that we are in today. So I think we have trained not less than 40 to 50 participants. If those numbers go back and practicalize this and also train even one person, the next 5-6 years, we should be able to go, that message should go around the community, by extension, the local government and the state. It will go a long way to solve the food and climate crisis that we have.
Facilitator Chukwu Agozirum said the training enlightened local farmers on the long-term benefits of organic farming, including improved soil health, reduced water pollution, and increased resilience to climate change.
Day to day, this incident of sickness and living unhealthy has posed a problem to us. So society means to live healthy and can only achieve this through the food we eat, because all this food that we eat has a lot of residue of chemicals in them, which when one take it, it tends to affect the health and really shorten the lifespan of the person. So that's why we have dived into this organic farming, which we can grow our things organically without the use of any chemical, whether pesticide or fertilizers, to enhance the fertility of the soil and for the productivity of the farm produce.
Local farmers and community members expressed their gratitude for the informative session and expressed their commitment to implementing organic farming practices in their agricultural activities.
It's chemical on food. So now that they have taught us how to produce it by ourselves, we are glad. I am personally glad about this. But what the difficulties about it is some of the ingredients, mostly the urine, whatever. But it's nice. It's good for us to go back to nature